Hello, everyone. So, this is Kanu Bhutani here, and today I will be taking you through the first screen of the Start Center of the IBM Maximo software. This is the place when you log in, you come to this dashboard, and we will go through a quick glance of what all we can see in this dashboard. So, the layout is uh, the first is the left side bar, which you see is the navigation panel. This is the panel that provides quick access to different modules and functionalities. It also includes sections such as quick insert for adding new records or actions quickly, security users and groups for managing user access and roles, workflow configuration for creating and managing workflows, work centers for accessing work related modules such as work supervision or inventory management. Second is bulletin board, which you see on the top center, which displays the system wide announcements, notifications, or important updates. It is also useful for communicating tasks or alerts to users. The third one that you see below the bulletin board is inbox assignments, which shows assigned tasks or activities specific to the logged in user, and it provides a direct way to manage personal responsibilities. The fourth one is KPI graphs, which is at the bottom center. You will find wherein it displays the KPIs for asset or workflow performance. It also uses graphical gauges to indicate progress against targets, and the examples which are shown might include the metrics like service requests or logged tickets. So, the purpose of this layout is to offer a centralized dashboard for monitoring, tracking, and managing tasks. It also improves user efficiency by providing quick access to essential information and also allows the real time visualization of KPIs for performance evaluation. So, these are the details that we see on this dashboard. Thank you.